What is work health and safety? About 800 claims are filed with WorkCover Queensland annually for injuries sustained in the hotel industry. Essentially, work health and safety is the systems and processes we put in place to define how we do things whilst minimizing our exposure to risk. The culture of the workplace needs to be supportive of the aim to minimize harm. Safety legislation structure in Queensland. Work Health and Safety Act 2011. The Act sets out the laws relating to health and safety requirements in all workplaces and work activities in Queensland. Work Health and Safety Regulation 2011. The regulation tells us how the law is to be implemented and administered in Queensland. Employer duty of care in the workplace. Under the Act, your employer must provide a safe workplace for you and other workers. Your employee obligations for safety in the workplace. Your primary duty of care is to take reasonable care for your own health and safety and to ensure that your actions do not affect the health and safety of others. You must comply, so far as you are reasonably able, with any reasonable instruction that is given by your employer and cooperate with any reasonable health and safety policy or procedure. How can I find out about workplace safety issues? The Act fosters a cooperative spirit which encourages employers and employees to work for a healthier and safer environment. This is achieved by open communication between both parties. You can find out information on safety issues by attending team meetings, training and induction sessions, reading company newsletters, flyers or staff notices, talking to your supervisor/manager or other staff. How do we identify and control workplace hazards? This is the legislated process for dealing with hazards. Spot the hazard. Identify the jobs or tasks which are likely to or have caused injury or caused harm. Assess the risk. Identify which of the hazards pose the greatest risk to us. Make the changes. Decide on appropriate controls that is eliminate, substitute, engineer or isolate, administer, implement policy, procedure or training, or use protective clothing. Monitor and review implemented controls to ensure they are effective.